Local news for Wednesday the 22nd of November. Taratahi is broadening its program and offering the highly regarded Massey Diploma in Agriculture at its campus in the Wairarapa. Taratahi CE Arthur Graves says employers are looking for graduates who not only have good groundings in farm practices, but a solid understanding of the skills and knowledge of running a farm business. The Wairarapa Garden Tour has been Pukaha Mount Bruce's most successful fundraiser to date, breaking all records. Pukaha's General Manager Emily Cord believes the spin-off to the region in a tourism capacity is fantastic, and the event contributes over $40,000 annually to the Pukaha Restoration Fund. And in sport, week 5 of Wairarapa Bush Touch Rugby kicks off tonight. So far, Zest lead the men's competition, with the Village Vipers winning the social mixed and the Kai Catchers the main mixed competition.